When I was a teenager, my dad told me, don't invest in stock market. It's like gambling. But being an obedient teenager, I said that's the first thing I want to do. But with zero guidance and knowledge, I ended up in huge losses. But your journey can be different than mine. So if you want to learn about stock markets in the most simplified and fun-filled manner, enroll now. Hey folks, Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to our first Thursday live stream for the month of March 2023. Right, so I'm sure you might have read the title. To be honest, I was going to do a title like, is Nifty going to come to 16,000? In fact, we had scheduled a live stream with that same title. But when we were discussing about this news, about what happened with Arshad Warsi, SEBI banned Arshad Warsi. There was something like a pump and dump scheme, which SEBI was discussing. I mean, SEBI has charged Arshad Warsi and few others for that. So I thought, let me just also give some idea about what has happened in this case. How many of you already know about this? Yes, Ranjit, he's saying short circuited. That is the thumbnail that I tried to do after long number of days slash weeks slash months. I tried to design a thumbnail. It's a temporary thumbnail. We are going to change it tomorrow. Acha, no, I don't. Acha, okay. So should we discuss about this? Maybe for first 5 to 7 minutes. If you are okay with that, let me know so that I can take it forward. If you want to know more about this case. Haven't heard of the news? Ooh, okay. Sure. Okay. A lot of people are saying they don't know about it. So let me just pull up something for you. I'm just going to show you a few news articles which I referred today. Uh, 1 minute. Okay. Let me share my screen. So because this news came up today in the late afternoon, I thought that, I mean, rather than preparing this as a separate, presentation or something like that, I thought let me just show it to you with the help of few articles as well. SEBI bans Arshad Warsi, Maria Goretti, that is his wife, YouTuber Manish Mishra, channel Moneywise in Sadhna stock pump and dump. So feels bad that one of the fellow YouTube creators is also banned by SEBI for the pump and dump scheme. And what is it about? I'm going to quickly tell you. So SEBI said that promoters of Sadhna Broadcast. So who all promoters of Sadhna Broadcast? That's a company which is listed. Arshad Warsi, along with Manish Mishra, who's the creator of YouTube channels Moneywise and The Advisor. They recommended investors to buy the shares, inflating its price and later dumped it. Okay. Uh, just in case, if few people are like, why are we covering this case? There are two reasons for this. Okay. I generally don't like to talk about any scenarios where it is just an allegation. Okay, one is an allegation and one is just is like a conviction. Okay, no, there is a separate word for that. One is allegation and one is, so when I talk about allegation, it is like someone is saying that this might have happened. Okay, it is not yet proven by anyone else. But if SEBI is saying we are banning it, it is proved, right? I'm not able to recollect that specific word. There's a word for that. One is allegation and one is you have been convicted. So conviction is different, but being convicted with something is you have been proven to be guilty, and one is just alleged thing. Allegation is like there is a possibility that it might have happened, and here SEBI has given their verdict. They have said that yes, SEBI has already banned. So this is not just shayad kuch kiya hai. It's not like that. Okay, SEBI has banned these people from taking trades in stock market now. So now what happened? There are few stocks that they have mentioned here. One is Sadhana Broadcast Limited. So I'll tell you in short how this took place. Sadhana Broadcast shares. I'll show you how it was pumped. Classic case. See, whenever we discuss about stocks on our channel, I'm sure you can recollect scenarios where someone asks about a specific stock. Kya baat hai? And whenever I see this type of a chart, ki continuously upper circuit, then lower circuit. I want an answer from everyone. I'm stopping the screen sharing because I want you all to give me your answers as well. Whenever people ask me questions of such category of stocks, continuously hitting upper circuit and then continuously lower circuit, do I even comment on such stocks, or I say I want to stay away from such stocks? I want an answer from you all. What has been my stand always? How have we discussed about such stocks on our channel? I just say no, ignore. We are not even going to discuss about such stocks. Stay away from such stocks, right? And that is the whole and sole reason that we always talk about such scenarios, right? That whenever it's hitting continuous upper circuit, and especially if it's a penny stock, there are great chances that someone may be playing with it. Okay, so if you are wanting to be fundamentally strong investors who are wanting to look for companies which have good strong fundamentals, we should never be even looking at such stocks, because what happens is a classic example right now that we are discussing about, right? So I would again want to share my screen, share my entire screen. So that's what happened with the stock, back to back upper circuits. And have a look at from what level to what level. So it was trading at 2 rupees 70 paisa. And from almost even lower than that. But even if just before this rise, this sharp rise, 2 rupees 70 paisa to 35 rupees almost. That's a huge rise. And in what? From April to August, only that much time span. Then continuous lower circuits, then continuous upper circuits. Then some people might have thought, it is going upper circuit, now it will break this high and whatnot. And since then, again, lower lows. And I'm sure this scenario is going to continue now. I don't know for what time. Okay. So they have mentioned that in one of the videos, the accused said that the Adani group will take over Sadhna broadcasting. In one of the videos, it was said by one of the YouTube creators, I guess. So the moment some sort of news gets floated, then people feel, "Arey, this might be true. We should try and invest some money in this." And just for getting some quick money, people might fall trap to such cases. So it's always advisable that you stay away from stocks which are for tax, which are going up quickly, and there are great chances that they might fall very at the same speed, right? So even if I were to refer to one more article from Mint, let us say, SEBI bans Arshad Warsi and 31 others. In fact, I read one article. Yes. In addition, the regulator has impounded illegal gains to the tune of 41.85 crores by the entities after misleading videos were uploaded on YouTube channel. So SEBI noted, so Arshad Warsi has made a profit of 29 lakhs. His wife 37 lakhs. Okay, and this has been given by SEBI, not any third party as such. Okay, this order came after SEBI received certain complaints that this might have happened, and after which this entire examination started. The regulator conducted an examination during April to September. Didn't we see that sharp rise in the similar time frame? So that is what happened. And so this is also what we read. Sadhna Broadcast Limited. We saw the chart of this entity as well. There was one more entity, I guess, for which there were such things which were being talked about. So two stocks I remember seeing today in the late afternoon. But anyways, this is just a simple example of what a pump and dump scheme is, how it looks like. And I think a very, very important lesson which we always discuss in our channel, we always talk about it. But this is just a revision for everyone, that come what may, we should always stay away from such schemes. There is nothing like quick money in the stock market. In fact, yesterday also I uploaded a video on our channel. Can we make 1 crores in 1 year? That was just a clickbaity thumbnail. I know that, but wahan pe bhi the whole intent, if you have seen the entire video, the whole intent of sharing that video was that making 1 crore in 1 year, don't have such unrealistic expectations. if you want to experience the power of compounding, it has to be over a period of few years and not in 1 year, right? So stay away from such stocks, stay away from stocks which don't have fundamentals, which may be, and I mean, you may fall prey to pump and dump schemes, right? So I hope you've understood how this entire thing takes place. For just in case if you don't know what is a pump and dump scheme, it's something like simple. uh, there will be few people who will say, "Arey, buy the stock," because of some news. Like I told you, there were news that Adani might take over that Sadhna Broadcast Limited. There'll be a buzz created. Okay, buzz will be created. Now, what also happens simultaneously? There are also some volume makers. Now, who are volume makers? They may not actually make a lot of money. Okay, volume makers are a few entities, maybe individuals, maybe firms or corporates. Their responsibility is just to buy and sell and buy and sell, so that the volume bar on trading view, that also starts shooting up. So when some investors feel that, oh, the price is rising, but not only the price is rising, the volumes are also rising, and that might be the reason why retail individual investors might fall prey to such scenarios. In fact, in one, I read some 8 to 10 articles on this specific news. In one of the article, it was also mentioned that how many retail individual investors were invested in this stock before this entire news came up. It was, I think, in single thousand digits, something like 1,000, or let us say 1,500 or whatever. And after such news were being floated, this number had moved up to almost 35, 40 plus thousand. So that shows us how easily people, fall prey to such I mean, news which are floated over any sort of media, be it social media or whatever. So every time, like we always say, whatever, if you learn anything from anyone, don't follow it blindly. Do your own research. Even if I am discussing about any stock, whenever I discuss about our pro investor special stock of the month also, whenever I present that, I always say this: this is not a stock tip. I'm trying to play. I'm trying to tell you what is my analysis of this stock. If you feel that, okay, this is fundamentally strong stock, if you feel that whatever logic I'm trying to explain to you with the help of balance sheet or P&L or whatever, if you feel that is logical, in that case, you can take your decision of whether you want to buy it or not. Okay, so big lesson learned. I hope you have also learned a lesson. And how do you tell that you liked this? Oh my god, I just said it. So you have understood today. It was a very direct call out. So if you really liked this short piece of information, maybe less than 8 to 10 minutes, I try to explain. Uh, that is nothing but smashing the like button. Ashwin is saying, Rachana, I'm not getting any notifications from YouTube, any update from YouTube tech team. Uh, wow, Ashwin, thank you for that. We have been trying to talk to the YouTube team, and today only we have given them few examples of few of our viewers who are my team members are also not getting a notification, or even if they get it, they are getting it as a very delayed notification. So we have tried to, we have given them some links as well. These are the channel handles who are not receiving any notifications. So hopefully they'll be able to resolve it. Others also, please. Acha, me too not getting notifications. Arey yaar. Uh, those who are not getting notifications, if you can give me uh, your channel link. So channel link is basically you go on the YouTube, uh, on the YouTube platform. Right hand corner, you see your own profile, right? So you click on that, and after that, your home page will pop up. Whatever is the link that comes up there, if possible, you can put that link and mail it to us. I'll tell you where. Support at the rate Rachana Ranade.com. So many people are not getting the link. Support at the rate Rachana Ranade.com. I'm telling you one more time how to do it. On your YouTube home screen, you will see the icon, right hand top icon. Click on that, then your channel. Okay, so everyone has a YouTube channel, because if you're viewing my channel, you also have a YouTube channel. It's just that you don't have any video uploaded on your channel. So whenever you click on the top right icon, your profile icon, click on your channel, and whatever link you can see in the link, top bar, search bar, please copy that and send it to us. We'll try and also share a few more examples on to the YouTube team. Acha, Advait is saying it's not issue of your channel, it's with all channels. Oh, ho. Okay. All right, all right. I'm getting regular notifications, says Narendra. So it's a mixed thing what is happening. Okay, no worries. We'll try and get it done. Okay. Chalo, so I hope basics about this case are clear. Now with that, let's move on to one more important part. Earlier, as I mentioned, it's also there in the title, Nifty at 16,000. Why did I think about mentioning this? Oh, Prithvi Raj is saying update YouTube to latest version. It will get fixed. I am not sure about this. There may be just see in the Play Store if your app is updated or not. If not, then please update it. Right. All right. So let's discuss about Nifty and what is currently going on. So just to save on some time because I wanted to discuss this case as well. So I thought of drawing few things before we started the stream. So whatever study was done, I've not deleted that today. Generally, I delete it and I show it in front of you all so that you also get to know how I'm drawing it. Just in case if you don't know how this head and shoulder is drawn, here you can go to this. I don't know how to call this XABCD pattern, whatever. And then here you can say head and shoulder. Okay, that's how I've drawn this head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, the head, again the left shoulder, and unfortunately this neckline was broken almost 4 days ago and it is continuously trading below the neckline for 4 trading days. And and if this sustains below this, if good things don't come up, some good news which will cheer up the market, if that doesn't come up, do you want to see what could be the potential target as per the head and shoulder pattern? Okay, as per the head and shoulder pattern, it could be 15,750 roughly. 15,750. Do you remember this level? This was the 15,200. Maybe this was the level. Yes. This was the level. This earlier. So this is the March 22 ka level. And this has seen one more support. So this is the level which has taken support once, twice, went below it briefly, and again went back. As per the head and shoulder pattern, if this breaks, Bhagwan na kare, but possible as per the head and shoulder pattern that this may come up. We are not sure about this, but possible as per head and shoulder pattern. Right. What about pivot level? So now let me just delete this so that I can tell you a few more analysis points. Why I said 16,000. One more point for analysis is that here you can see, I'm going to again pull on the pivots, but I would want to pull it up for the weekly chart so that I also get a little bit more longer view. Pivot gaya kya? Can add it up quickly. Now, if you see, this is a pivot level on the weekly chart. Okay. Now, on the weekly chart, this week it has broken the pivot level. Okay. Now, of course, we have tomorrow. If it still remains below this will be the first time in last several weeks that the pivot is broken. And if that be so, where is S1? Where is support one? 15,896, which is very close to the level that we just drew. So as per technical analysis, there are chances that we may see a fall. I'm not saying immediately. We don't know whether it will come up immediately or not. What else? Because right now there is no news that is cheering the market as such. There are a lot of news which are like Russia is just again, uh, you know, becoming more strict. They're becoming more aggressive with the war. Our data, economy data also is not like very amazing. Of course the PMI that got released for the month of February, that is still at 55. Anything above 50 is considered to be good, but GDP YOY basis also, whatever we have seen, that is also not like super duper amazing. It is above average. I'm not trying to scare anyone. It is above average, but it's not like a great number that has come up. So macroeconomic level also, okay, average, above average. Technical analysis, two big indicators right now. Again, even if I just quickly were to add up one more indicator, which is MACD, moving average convergence, divergence, you can see for the last, this is again weekly basis, huh? From what? From 26 December, it is just in red, 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 continuously in red. So no signs of revival even on MACD. Even if I were to check RSI, relative strength index, what we had seen, if you remember, on the 70-30 thing, let me just double click this. Okay. So if you remember, we had also discussed this, that if it is falling, to 30-ish levels, just zoom out a little bit. I hope you remember this. We have discussed this so many times, that if it is going near the 30 ka level, it was bouncing from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here it went down for a brief period, again came up, again went closer to this, again it has come up, but it is approaching that 30 ka level time and again. And it's, if I were to just connect RSI cut tops also, so this is like flattish, but low, low, low. So this is also, not showing strength at all. So from the bounce it went up to here, and from the second bounce it was not able to catch up with the previous high. So all in all, what I feel is market is not showing great strength right now, and that is the reason why you should be a little bit cautious while you are investing in the stock market right now. Even if you are investing, like I always say, that invest in bits and pieces. This is the time to be a little bit more cautious. I've been saying this since the end of 2022. Those who have been following my Thursday live streams very regularly, you already know about it. I've already said this many times, that 2023 we may see a lot of ups and downs in the market. So careful, whatever stock you're buying, even if it is super fundamentally strong, don't invest at one shot. Go slowly, step by step, and then only invest. Okay. So that is it about technical analysis as well. I hope you understood about technical analysis also. क्या बात है? Just sort of quickly reading through the comments if there is something important. Prithviraj is saying, then you people are not getting notifications because you have not liked the video, and YouTube is penalizing for that. So again, a different way to give a shout out of hitting the like button. Okay. So before we move on to a few other questions, I would want to give you one more update, an amazing update. I would want to share my screen for that. So I'm just pulling out one interesting knowledge piece for you. पोपट होतोय का काय माझा? 1 minute. Is my website down? Site cannot be reached. Ew, how is that? DNS address could not be found. Can you access my website? Why can't I access it? We have come up with a quiz section on our website. People, quickly tell me if you can access my website or not. One minute, let me just see one more time. Ranade.com. Very good. DNS address could not be found. Yes, I can access. Ooh, maybe Arshad Warsi is using your website. You can access. Why can't I access? How is that possible? तुला पण होती access? यार काय? What is wrong? Detecting problem. Please give me 1 minute, right? I tried to open it in incognito also. Still, it's not opening. Okay, just those who can access the website, there is, please check it simultaneously. You can see the home page. I tried it in incognito also. On the home page, you can see the banner, and just below that, what can you see that? Clear cache. Till I clear cache, What can you see just below? कौन है? हाँ, Chandramouli Attili saying SEBI found that your courses are way cheaper, so they banned it. चल रही है. Okay, clear cache. How to clear cache? My God, I'm so bad at this. I can't clear cache, yaar. I want you all to quickly tell me just below. Yes, Ranjit says you can see the quiz. You nice. So now what you can do is, everyone, you can choose what is the level of your knowledge: beginner level, intermediate level, advanced level. You just click it, test your knowledge, and if you get good marks, you can take a screenshot and you can share it with your friends. No need to clear. Incognito is same thing. अरे but 9 होते हैं. एक सेकंड. rachanaranade.com. This is the last try that I'm going to give it. ज्यार्थी एवढा वेळ लागतोय त्यार्थी अवघडच दिसते एकंदर. DNS address could not be found. I don't know what's the problem. Anyways, Control Shift Delete button and clear cache. Control Shift Delete and then clear data ka. I'm saying clear data. Okay. ठीक है. It'll format your computer. ओए गेली का काय stream? Can you see me? I got signed out. Can you see me? कोण होता रे तो सांगणार? आता YouTube पण होत नाहीये. Yes. Okay. Now now if I'm trying to go into YouTube, I'm also not able to log on to YouTube. Right now, StreamYard is in front of me. Let that stay. Hey Bhagwan, क्या हो गया यार? Anyways, Arshad Warsi he is not happy. It seems so. Okay, I think we should just quickly continue. I'll go to the comments. Okay, first one, Ravi ji saying, hi Rachana ma'am, in your last live stream with Saurabh Mukherjee, he has explained about price to FCF ratio. Absolutely. Can you explain it in detail by making a detailed video on its comparison with PE, which is a better ratio to consider? Why not? I'll just write this. Pooja, if you can just quickly write this as a request. Price to FCF ratio. And we can definitely discuss about it. Why is it so important? He had also discussed about few more ratios, few interesting ratios. We'll try to see if I can even combine 2-3 interesting ratios and then make a separate video as well, right? Chalo. So thanks for the super chat and thank you for the video topic as well. Ma'am, is it the right time to average Aarti Industries? Okay, let me just check Aarti Industries. I'll just see as per pivot levels, whatever I can see. आता ट्रेडिंग व्यू लाइव प्रॉब्लम है तो है. Nice. Others, please stop super chats because now trading view is also giving up. Something wrong with my PC. I don't know what has happened. It was showing up very nicely. I don't know what happened in between. Hitesh, just see if it is not in a total downtrend. There should be some sort of reversal. Also see what is the pivot level for Aarti, and if it is at a support, at a piece of pivot or at a S1, S2, then makes sense. Otherwise, stay away as of now. DVs, good time to enter. Again, DVs fundamentally, there are mixed bag hai. I think I've discussed about DVs in one of the previous live streams as well. I would have loved to show the arts and everything, but right now screener is also not opening. Very good. So I would give, I'm writing down DV's labs. We'll give a little bit more detailed version in the next Thursday live stream. Okay. Views on HDFC Bank, one of my all-time favorites. No worries if your time horizon is 1 to 2 years. Should be ideal a little bit more than that though. Thank you for the super chat, but no questions asked. Polyplex downside over question mark. See, the problem with Polyplex right now is that it is terribly going under the inflation pressure. Their margins have been beaten down like anything. So we just would want to see a little bit better margins coming up for this stock. So if you remember, I've been telling this so many times. I've not yet put my third installment in this stock. I'm still waiting for it. Inflationary pressures are weighing too high on Polyplex, so would want to wait a little bit more. Uh, I can't see a clear cut reversal in Polyplex even today. Your view on Antony waste handling budget? May There were few things wherein stocks like Antony waste can see a boost, but I remember since it's when it got listed till date, it has not given like handsome returns to any of their investors. So I mean, if even if you feel that you would want to invest in this stock based on the budget scenario, maybe a small chunk is what you can try with. But again, I'm repeating, it's not fundamentally like super duper amazing, and nor has it given like amazing returns to the investors. Okay, I can't even see the price level right now because trading view is not working, screener is not working. I'm just on my own right now. But whatever I recollect its chart, I remember that it has fallen quite a bit. So would want to wait. I would want to stay away from such stocks. All right, I think I should not be continuing with this live stream for a long time because whatever I would be speaking would be just based out of my memory rather than based on data. And I always love to talk based on data rather than recalling things which I've referred to, which I've analyzed at previous points in time. Somehow my PC is giving up right now. I don't know why. What happened all of a sudden? Uh, Anyways, happens. It's technology. But uh, everyone, please don't forget to check out the quiz. Check out your level of knowledge. Share your result if it is good. Tag me on Instagram and let me know your results. Would be happy to check it. Right. I'll see you on in the next Thursday live stream. We'll try to make it a little bit more fun on the next Thursday live stream. I'll not reveal, but I have some plans for the next Thursday live stream. Uh, I'm sure you're going to love it. But next Thursday, set a reminder about an amazing Thursday live stream. It's going to be just me, no one else on the show. But we'll try and do some sort of quizzing, not through our website, through something different, and it is going to be fun, super engaging, is what I feel. So I'll see you in the next Thursday live stream. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.